In the power industry, safety in production is paramount. The power network cross-station coordination is one of the key elements in ensuring the safety of power transmission. The existing mechanical interlocking of primary equipment plus electrical control interlocking of substation automation system only considers the status of equipment within the station. This leads to a loophole in the technical safeguards. Any disconnection from the real-time monitoring of the grounding status of connecting lines greatly increases the risk of mistakenly energizing lines with earthing switches closed, potentially leading to incalculable losses. In routine production operations, there have been numerous incidents where temporary grounding wires which fall within regulatory blind spots have resulted in accidental energization, posing severe threats to equipment personnel and the safety of the power grid. To address these critical technical vulnerabilities, it is essential to refine the operational error prevention logic. CYG SUNRI's advanced error prevention solution for substation power transmission operations, born from this need. Advanced applications of the CYG PRS 7000 integrated monitoring system, protection functions and isolator link monitoring for error prevention, and PRS 716 substation domain misoperation prevention device. This comprehensive solution enhances the level of error prevention in substation power transmission operations through above two aspects: the protection function, isolator link monitoring error prevention system in the SCADA system serves as the intelligent core of the solution. It is deeply integrated into the monitoring backend, enabling intelligent management of error prevention. PRS 716 Substation Domain Misoperation Prevention Device enables cross-station linkage. Real-time monitoring of tie line status, filling gaps in technical protection between stations. Simulation function for temporary grounding wire connection, effectively ensuring standardized operations, reducing the risk of operational errors. Abnormal condition alert function. Timely detection of potential issues, ensuring grid safety through precise alerts. Operational status visualization interface, clear display of equipment conditions, enhancing maintenance efficiency. CYG SUNRI S Substation Advanced Error Prevention Solution for Substation Power Transmission Operations, based on substation domain technical specifications. Flexibly deploy the substation domain error prevention devices, compatible with various error prevention interlocking functions from industry manufacturers. Multiple pilot projects completed for verification demonstrating significant advantages. CYG SUNRI has focused on the power system protection field for 30 years, developing more advanced and efficient products and solutions to support the construction of new power systems.